Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the calendar entry or the email invite. This is where Zoom hosts place the link. Once done, scan the event description for a full HTTPS link, a meeting ID, and a passcode so you don't get stuck at the door. Make sure to note the host name and scheduled time. If it's a recurring meeting, confirm which occurrence you need. These steps save time and prevent last-minute scrambling before joining. You should sign into the Zoom app or web portal and open upcoming meetings to retrieve direct join buttons and meeting ID. Then scan your team chat channels where hosts often paste links. Use search terms like the meeting title or Zoom. Once done, inspect the calendar event attachments and RSVP threads for alternate or updated links. If the host sent multiple messages, compare meeting ID to ensure you use the correct. When it's time, click the link or open Zoom and enter the meeting ID and passcode. That's the fastest route. If the link fails, copy and paste the URL into a browser, clear cache, or try joining from your phone as an alternate device. Once done, verify your account or display name so the host recognizes you. If nothing works, message the host immediately and request an updated link or the phone dial-in as a fallback. This resolves most last-minute access issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.